Hello kings and queen, you are welcome to this channel today we are going to be talking of neem leaf oil. That is what we are going to be making here today. In Africa they call it dogoyaro. It's very good and beneficiary for our body. I'm going to be bringing a lot of video that you can use neem leaf to do in this channel. Okay, you are welcome. This is the neem leaf. I order mine in the internet. You can order yours 100% neem leaf. Okay, it's very good for your body. It's good for a lot of things which I will be showing you in this channel. But today we are going to be making oil for hair growth, rapid hair growth. It's very good. So this is the neem leaf. I'm going to be blending it. Okay, you can decide not to blend it, guys. This oil is so good. Whatever I bring out in this channel, just trust and believe it. Okay, it's very good. So now we are going to blend it. Disclaimer, I'm not a doctor, but what I know is good for me, I bring it out to help other person out there. So you just blend it this way. You want to blend it to the powder form. You can decide not to blend it to a powder form. You can decide to grind it like liquid with a little bit of water, or you can blend with it oil. It's very good. It have antifungal, antibacterial. It's very good for your hair. So we are going to pour it inside this jar. We pour it inside. It's good for your hair. It's good to grow your hair. It removes dandruff. It's very good for your hair growth. If your hair is not growing because you have some problem down there, is going to help you out. Okay, so we are using 100% olive oil. You just pour it to the size you want. Okay, we are going to be pouring it inside. It's very good. Neem leaf is very good for a lot of things. I will be showing you a lot of things, different way I use neem leaf. I will be uploading the video of different way I use neem leaf, so be expecting it anytime, any day in this channel. Take care of your natural hair. Is so good. So you will not say you don't have money to take care of your natural hair because everything are in your kitchen. This neem leaf, some people, you pluck it in the backyard. So this is hot water boiling. I just place it inside. So if you don't want to put this, I want the neem leaf, I want every nutrient in it to enter into the oil. Okay, so that is how we get oil out of it. If you don't want to do it this way, you can just pour it with the oil into the pot without the water. You put it in a low heat, it will be okay. Or you parboil it just a little bit and leave it for days. So I leave it for the next day. This is the next day. Just one day I leave it to cool and just to sink in. So I sip it with this. You can sip with anything you have, maybe a hose or anything you have to sip. You sip it. This is very good. You know, it have antibacterial and it grow your hair very good. It's very good, guys. Try it. You are going to love it. Everything that I'm using for my hair growth, I am going to be bringing them out in this channel to help. Okay, we are doing a lot of things in this channel to the glory of God. Whatever that is good, whatever that is lovely, whatever that is good, we bring it to this channel. So this is the oil. As you can see, the neem leaf has entered inside. It will make your hair to grow and stronger and darker. You are going to love it. You will see when your hair is not growing, sometimes you are lacking some things under your hair. You don't know the bacteria that is there. Neem leaf is going to deal with it and make your hair grow. So this is the oil. So this oil, you use it to rub under your hair, down of your head. Is very good. So expect a lot of video about neem leaf. God bless you. Please don't fail to like, share, subscribe and press the notification bell. Maintain your natural hair is very good. God bless you. I love you.